Hello there, Internet. I am the 450 Raven. I am an nationally registered EMT. These are some things that I see on the road all the freaking time, and some things that you can do to avoid getting yourself hurt or avoid an accident while you're out there on the road. So, there is a very, very specific situation that I see all of the time, on YouTube compilations of people getting involved in motorcycle accidents. I see this all the time in the real world when I'm driving down the road. This happens so much, it's kind of stupid, kind of scary. I don't get why people do this. And I want to prevent you from making the same mistake. And I also want to prevent you from getting hurt if someone else is doing something like this. You're looking to get up to this stoplight, right? And it's a 2-lane road on your side. It's a 4-lane total, but 2 lanes on your side of the intersection in your direction of travel. You've got traffic to your left, and you're in the right lane. What you will see all the time, and I never have understood this, is people in the left lane will stop before the stoplight and leave a gap in traffic so that people trying to turn left to go into those parking lots can get into the parking lot. A lot of people assume that this is the nice thing to do. Let me tell you, it is not the nice thing to set someone up for the potential to get involved in a motor vehicle accident. I don't care what you think. This is not good behavior because when someone's trying to turn right, what you end up having in this scenario is a perfect recipe for disaster because you end up with the traffic being obscured and this person trying to make this turn, and you're on a much smaller vehicle. You're on a motorcycle, and motorcycles are already harder to see. So this person assumes, hey, the lane's clear. And usually, when this occurs on a motorcycle, the person on the motorcycle is going faster or is just oblivious to what's going on. And so what happens is you end up in this T-bone situation where the person gets, boom, pancaked into the side of a vehicle, and it's usually life-ending. This is a situation that you can avoid. And this is also a situation that you can prevent if you're the person in the left lane on the road. So please stop trying to be nice on the road in this circumstance. It is not safe to leave a gap in the lane for someone to turn on a 2-lane section. Let the light turn green, close the gap, prevent them from turning if you're in a position where you could be nice and let them turn. Just close the gap, even if it makes you feel bad if they're looking at you like you could have just let me through and whatnot. Remind yourself that at the end of the day, if there were someone coming up in this right-hand lane and they weren't paying attention and this person started to make that turn and they weren't paying attention to the lane when they were trying to make that turn, you trying to be nice could have potentially just ended somebody's life. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I think this is the last video I'm going to do in this spot, so maybe we'll get a change of scenery next time. If you want to see more of these videos, give me a follow.